Myself is Dr. Pradeep Kumar Goswami. I am a consultant gynecologist and obstetrician and a subspecialist in fetal and maternal medicine. I am the founder and director of Fitomat Foundation and the lead consultant in this team. It should be offered to all pregnant women. Ultrasound is the mainstay of assessing fetal health inside the mother's uterus. So every pregnant woman should be assessed at least 3 times during the course of the pregnancy. So if we divide the pregnancy into 3 halves, in scientific terms they are called as trimesters. So the first trimester is the first 3 months of the pregnancy. The second trimester is the second 3 months of the pregnancy, and the last trimester or the third trimester is the last 3 months or the 12 weeks of the pregnancy. So one ultrasound at least must be done in all these 3 trimesters. So one in the first trimester, which is mainly aimed at assessing the estimated date of delivery, confirming the viability, that means the baby is live and well inside the uterus, as well as assessing the baby's genetic health, particularly in relation to a syndrome called as Down's syndrome. The second trimester assessment involves what we call as the structural assessment of the baby, right from here to the toenails, which is called as anatomy or anomaly scan. And finally, in the third trimester, at least at around 8 months of the pregnancy, when we call as a fetal well-being assessment, which gets all the informations, particularly the baby's estimated weight, what would be at the delivery, is the baby too big or too small, whether there is enough water around the baby to make the atmosphere safe inside the mother's uterus, and also whether the baby is getting enough blood from the mother to sustain till delivery. Based on this information, a gynecologist will decide the time and the method of delivery. So all these 3 assessments are must for pregnancy. If there is any problems identified during the course of the pregnancy, or if someone has complications from previous pregnancy, family history of problems, or any suspicion or in course development of the pregnancy like high blood pressure, diabetes, medical problems, etc., etc., twin pregnancy, IVF pregnancy, they will need more than 3 assessments during the course of the pregnancy. That will depend on the concerned doctors and the fetal medicine team, how many scans they will need during the pregnancy.